We can get through.
Yeah, you can. Only on one side. We just got to be careful. They probably already cut the line, Mom. Yeah, there's people going through. Like I said, they probably already cut the line. I'm going to show you this later, Danny. There's a truck up there. Actually, I'm going to use my hand.
It's a city.
Anyways, there's a truck up there. There's a down power line here. From a down tree in the backyard.
One the down power, it was broken.
Well, it was hanging by, yeah. As you can see, they've already pulled.
So it wasn't just the power line, it was...
Yeah, they already pulled it off because I don't see the thing going across no more. Oh no, it's still there. Huh?
Yeah.
There's the down power line. There's the tree.
Oh.
Right across the fucking line. That's nuts.